Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Smart English, the place where learning English is simple, fun, and full of good vibes. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emily, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world.
It's so nice to be here again. How are you feeling today, Paul?
I'm great, thank you. I had my morning walk, and I feel fresh and ready to chat. What about you?
I'm feeling wonderful. The sun is shining, my tea is hot, and I'm excited for today's topic.
Yes. Today's topic is going to make everyone smile.
That sounds good. What is it, Paul?
Today, we're talking about our favorite English words. Words that make us feel good inside.
Ooh, I love that. Words that sound nice, feel nice, and have a positive meaning.
Exactly. And of course, we'll keep them simple and easy for all our English learners.
Perfect. All right, Paul, you go first. What's your very first favorite word?
My first favorite word is joy.
That's beautiful. Joy. It's small, but it feels so big.
Exactly. Joy is that warm, happy feeling inside you when something good happens.
Yes, it's more than just happiness. Joy feels deeper, like sunshine in your heart.
That's a perfect description. For me, joy is when I see my little niece running to hug me.
Ah, that's lovely. For me, joy is hearing good news from a friend.
Joy is one of those words that makes you smile the moment you say it.
Yes, it's full of energy. Okay, my turn. My first favorite word is smile.
Of course. That's one of the most positive words in English.
Yes, smiling is free, easy, and it always makes the world a little brighter.
You know what I love? You can even hear a smile in someone's voice, like right now.
That's true. A smile is like a little gift you give to someone without saying anything.
And it's the same in every country. No translation needed.
Exactly. A universal language of kindness.
Okay, my next word is home.
Aw, that's such a warm word. It's not just a building, it's a feeling.
Yes, home means comfort, love, safety. It's where you can be yourself.
Even a cup of tea in your favorite mug can feel like home sometimes.
That's true. Home doesn't have to be big or fancy. It's the place or the people that make you feel loved.
I love that. Okay, my next word is peace.
That's one of my favorites too. It sounds soft and calm, like the word itself is peaceful.
Exactly. Peace is when your mind is quiet, like sitting by the sea or hearing birds in the morning.
Yes, peace can mean no war, but it can also mean inner calm.
Right. A peaceful heart is a happy heart.
Beautifully said, Emily.
All right, next on my list is friend.
Oh, yes, one of the best words in any language.
Friends make life better. They understand you, laugh with you, and help you when you need it.
That's so true. A real friend is like family you choose yourself.
Exactly. Friendship is one of the strongest forms of love.
And you can have friends from all over the world, like our listeners.
Yes, you're all our friends now.
My next favorite word is music.
I love that one. Music is everywhere. In cars, cafes, movies, even in nature.
Yes, the sound of rain, the wind in the trees, that's also music.
Music changes your mood. If I listen to a happy song, I feel positive.
Same here. And you don't need to understand the lyrics. The feeling is enough.
That's what makes music universal. It connects hearts. Okay, my next word is water.
Simple, beautiful, and so important.
Exactly. We need water for life. But I also just love the sound of water. Rain, rivers, waves.
It's relaxing. When I can't sleep, I listen to ocean sounds.
Same here. Water can be strong, calm, or gentle, just like people.
Wow, that's poetic, Paul. All right, my next word is hope.
Ooh, that's a powerful one.
Yes, hope means believing that good things will happen even when life is hard.
That's true.
Hope gives us strength to keep going.
Exactly. Even a little hope can light up a dark day.
I love that image. Hope is like a candle in the dark.
My next word is kind.
Oh, one of the best words ever.
Yes, being kind doesn't cost anything, but it changes everything.
Kindness makes people feel seen and valued.
A kind word, a kind gesture, they stay in people's hearts.
Yes, and kindness is something you can give every single day. My final word is dream.
A perfect way to end. Dream can mean so many things.
Yes, when we sleep, we dream stories. But it also means our wishes for the future, our goals.
Exactly. A dream is what pushes us forward, like someone's dream to learn English.
Yes, our listeners' dream to speak English confidently.
Dreams make life exciting and full of purpose.
Never stop dreaming. That's my motto.
Wait, I have one more. It's actually 2 words. Thank you.
Ah, the most polite and beautiful phrase in English.
Yes, thank you shows respect, love, and appreciation.
It's such a small phrase, but it means so much.
And when you say it with a smile, it becomes even more powerful.
Totally agree. We should all say it more often.
So true. Thank you, Emily, for another great conversation.
And thank you, Paul, and everyone listening.
Let's see. Our favorite words today were joy,
Smile,
home,
peace,
friend,
music,
water,
hope,
kind,
dream.
and thank you.
Wow, what a wonderful list. All positive, all simple, all beautiful.
Yes, it reminds us that learning English isn't just about grammar. It's about feeling and meaning.
Exactly. Simple English can be powerful English.
So, dear listeners, we have a question for you.
Yes. What is your favorite English word and why? Tell us in the comments below.
We can't wait to read your answers.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak Smart English so you never miss a fun new episode.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep dreaming.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.